Hello, we are the Color Squad. Hello, my name is Blueberry.
My name is Peach. Peach babies.
Boses ko. So guys, nagpe-play kami ng Murder Mystery. So we are playing Murder Mystery 2.
Yeah. What are you expecting? Murder mystery? Ay.
So guys, I'm innocent, of course. You can see that. Okay. My cousin is being zombie. Guys, my favorite game is Just Impress.
My favorite is MMTAR.
Is that a freaking murder?
Not a murder. Do not expect me to be murdered. Ay, Peachy babies.
Is somebody is going to be ninja?
I'm a ninja girl. Ay. Oh my God. Wag na ter.
Guys, I'm back. Guys, naka-hidden lang ako. Victory!
Bacon
Asan na?
Asan na? Shortcut ako ng shortcut.
Yung lekod!
Ay, may ano siya?
Guys, hindi ako masyadong naglalaro ng MM2 kasi pura ako Just Impress. Kasi
dress up. Kung hindi na alam sa English pa lang.
Sorry guys kung I'm sorry if hindi ko na alam. If nagtatagalog kami.
Wait lang, may babasahin lang ako. Wala ka pala eh. Has?
It started.
Ano?
Inosente. Sir.
Oh my gosh, I got ref.
I'm going.
Yako OA dito ah. Ay.
Guys, I'm hiding. Tayo to play. Matamas tayo sa and gawa. Ikaw kasi. Wala pa. Alam mo.
Bye
Bye guys.
Bye-bye sa bush.